It's on. Bonjour.
Bonjour, 7th of September.
Yeah, and it's a late start, 10:30 kickoff today.
The little miss short legs.
Yeah, she was having a good snooze in the tent, so I left her be. And
Just the layers. I had pants, I had socks over pants, I had a shirt, I had a hoodie, I had a beanie, then a hoodie over the beanie. Well wrapped up.
yeah, you were well wrapped up, that's for sure. And it's a stunning day, absolutely beautiful weather. And we should probably get through some gorges, maybe a couple of peaks. Well, we have been over one col, don't know what it was called, didn't notice it that much. That was straight after we left camp. And yeah, we shall enjoy the views.
More volcanic ash, more
More of all of that rock shit.
and the lake.
Yeah, and Lake, yeah, there's one behind us. I don't know if we'll see it when we go around this bend or not, but
Nice campground.
yeah, it was good
Yes,
because
again, no toilet seat. What's wrong with the toilet seat?
Yeah.
Toilet paper in the toilet.
yeah, there's one communal roll of toilet paper in the bathroom.
So if you have a surprise visitor for a number one, yeah,
And you need a number two,
yeah,
well,
you'll have to ask a buddy.
yeah, phone a friend.
Yeah, it's like in a prison, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. So yeah, you can still see the lake. We're going around a bit.
Yeah, it's coming up to on the map.
Yeah,
All is good.
yeah.
Au revoir.
Thing there.
It's a crack in the thing
Yeah, they had a building there.
up top. Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
La Rochette.
Yeah. There must have been a building there because it looks like it's being carved that way.
Yeah.
Well, I guess you already have been doing this road a few times.
Yeah. No. Can't do anything. Rather than just stop and pop the battery.
At least it's filling it with me riding.
Yeah, well, ride.
I'm riding. I'm enjoying all these corners.
Yep.
Nice.
We're winding our way up the top. A lot of road switchbacks there. What's everyone pulled up here for? Just to get a view. Fantastic view. Getting a bit misty though. Yep. I'll see if it can turn off though. Into the tunnel. Okay, looks like we've got another tunnel here. No, just a brief one.
There you go.
Yeah. There's a road way down the bottom there. Yeah, just let me get around the corner. Okay, you can go in front.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Look at that. Have we been here before?
Nope, I don't think so. If we have, we came the other way.
Ah, okay. Quite impressive.
Yeah. Just gonna get
Oh,
over.
we've been here because we've been through Royans.
Been through.
Royans.
Oh yeah, yeah. Doesn't necessarily mean we came through here, but I'll take your word for it.
There's a deep gorge.
Yeah, oh yeah, there is. I'm just gonna have a look. Oh yeah.
Ah, cute. Beautiful.
Yeah, stunning.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, that wind.
Yeah, it's very strong. If you want to pull over and have a look. No?
No.
Okay.
There's a hole and there's a mountain.
Yeah.
That was balancing act. Yeah, so we came from that way.
Yeah, we would have, that's for sure.
Window?
This is the end. There'll be a building on your right. There you go, yeah. Halfway down, and we're still a long way up. Hey girl, looking into the abyss. Can't see a thing.